Who are you in there? You see, I believe that you in there, that is God. That awareness that I'm in here. For many years I was like, Christ is in me. Where is she? You know, where is she? Christ is in you, not like a raisin in a bun, but rather like the wave is in the ocean. It's part of the ocean. Well, it's more like you in there are God being you. Now, some people are going, what? What do you mean, me in here? Because we're so identified with the mind and the body and the emotions that we lose track of, hey, I'm the one in here that has thoughts. I'm the one in here that has emotions. This is my body, but I'm not the body. You look in the mirror and you go,